Sir, two technical questions. One is, what is the organizational structure of NBT at the national level? And secondly, at the state level, how you work with the, the writers, the authors, and other partners. And third one, how come a book or a particular topic is selected for its publication by NBT?
Yeah, it's a very good question you have brought out, because not many people were clear about the processes of publishing a book from reputed institutions like National Book Trust. As far as structure is concerned, we are autonomous body under Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, wherein this is headed by chairman, who is Professor Govind Sharma. I am the director responsible for the executive functions, and there is a team of administrative wing, the editorial wing. The author part comes under editorial wing, wherein we receive a lot of self-sponsored scripts, whom what we evaluate. Then after that primary evaluation, we nominate that without any name and declaration to the expert panels which are already with NBT, and get it evaluated. If there's a conflict of view, there's a difference of opinion, we get the second review, third review. So once we are convinced that book is there, then the remarks of the editor and the reviewer are compiled, and the author is intimated without telling the name. We maintain this anonymity with credibility, and then we upgrade the content and come up the book in a way wherever there's a requirement of illustrators, there is a requirement of graphic designer, all things are in-house. The best part of sending your script to NBT is that once you have sent the script, you don't have to sponsor any activity. All expenses NBT will take care, and we'll pay the royalty depending on the original content, the translation content, the illustrated content. So depending on that, a scholarship, this royalty is paid to all the writers, and it's a very transparent and fair process. It's a very systematic process. Anybody can send their applications with their manuscript, self-sponsored. There is no criteria for any age, qualification or anything. Only criteria is the quality of the script that you send, and then we take the rights, and then we do the MOU with the writer. Nice. After that, if the book is doing very well, we love to take this book into other Indian languages. That also responsibility we take care, and we have a lot of good translators for all the Indian languages, and then we carry out this project. So this is the complete process, and everybody is free to send the manuscript which they have with a self-declaration. And then after this script is found suitable, we take the necessary agreements and royalty issues on paper.